I've always thought that you were just a dream of mine, but you appeared last night and you were so alive. Were you a dream? You were so close but we hardly spoke. Had to go. I chased you through the night to keep you by my side. I nearly lost you. Speaking to you again. Don't disappear, don't turn away. I'm trying to believe, and if I am asleep, I don't wanna wake up. No need to concentrate. I'm not asleep, I'm not